Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have completed our chapter 5, that was exponent with their laws. And today in this video we are going to start our next chapter, and the name of the chapter is ratio and proportion. First we will learn about ratio. Then after we will learn about proportion. So let us see what is ratio. As per the definition of ratio, it says that it is a relationship between ratio. It is a relationship between two quantity. Ratio is the relationship between two quantity of same kind and same unit. Of same kind and having same unit. Or you can say that ratio is obtained by dividing first quantity by second quantity is called ratio. Definition is telling it is a relationship between two quantities. Suppose let us take first quantity A and second quantity B. Then we can say that ratio will be A divided by B. Ratio is obtained by dividing first quantity by second quantity. This will be called as A ratio B. You can pronounce it A ratio B, or you can say that A is to B. It is written like this also, A is to B. This is also called as A ratio B, or you can speak it A is to B. It is written as this also. Suppose let us take a numerical example, that is first number is 10 and second number is 3. So this will be called as 10 is to 3. This is called ratio. Or you can write like this also, or you can write like this also, 10 by 3. This is also called 10 ratio 3 or 10 is to 3. You can name by these two words. Now there are certain rules which we have to follow with this ratio. Let us start understanding the rules first. Next we will see important things related to ratio. What are the things which we have to keep in our mind while solving the problems of ratio? The first point we can say that two quantities, as we all know that two quantities are there. This is first quantity, this is second quantity. The two quantities must be of same kind. Both the quantities must be of same kind, or we can say that, or same unit. Must be of same kind or same unit. Like if we are taking first quantity rupees 50, the first quantity is rupees 50, the second quantity should also be in rupees. It should not be in paise, or it should not be in kg like this. We can take it rupees 25. So these two quantity are having same unit, or they are of same kind. So this first rule which we have to understand, that means both the quantities should be of same type. The second rule, the second thing we will learn, ratio is written as, that we have studied, ratio is written as first quantity is to second quantity. It means that first quantity A, second quantity B. This is A is to B, or you can write A by B, that we have seen here also. The third point, first term is called antecedent. first term is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. First term, like A, here A is the first term, A will be called as consequent and antecedent, and B is the second term, B will be called as consequent. This is the third rule. The fourth rule, a ratio must be expressed in lowest term. We have to express the ratio in lowest term. Suppose let us take an example. This same example, rupees 50, rupees 25. Rupees 50 ratio rupees 25. Both are having same unit, same type. They can be expressed. This we can write like this. Rupees 50 by rupees 25. Now it is a fraction and we have to reduce the fraction to the lowest term. 5 5 are 25, 5 10 are 50, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10. It is 2 by 1. That means we can say that 2 ratio 1. Rupees 50 ratio rupees 25 can be written as 2 ratio 1. It should be expressed in the lowest term. Now these are the 4 main rules which we will understand, and after this we are going to start our exercise, that is 6A. Now let us start our exercise 6A. In 6A, the very first question is saying express each of the given ratio in its simplest form. In this question some ratio is given and we have to express this ratio into simplest form. It means we have to reduce this ratio. First question is 22 ratio 66. How we can write? We can write like this also, 22 by 66. Now it become easier. Now this is in the form of fraction and now we can simply reduce it. First we will start reducing by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. Now directly it is being reduced by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33. What we have got? 1 by 3. It means that we can write it 1 ratio 3. This will be your answer. It is so simple, only we have to reduce it. One more question we will see, that is question number 3. Here the ratio is given in mixed fraction, that is 6 whole 1 by 4 ratio 12 whole 1 by 2. Our first task will be to convert it into improper fraction. First let us convert 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. It is 25 by 4 ratio 2 12 are 12 2 are 24 plus 1 25. It is 25 by 2. Now what we will do? We will write it in fraction form. We can write 25 by 4 divided by 25 by 2. Now here we can see that double fraction is there, and the rule we know that the lowest term will be multiplied by the top term, that is 25 will be multiplied by 2. This will be multiplied by the very top term and middle term will be multiplied by the middle term. 25 into 2 by 4 into 25. Now we will reduce it. 25 25 cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Your answer will be 1 by 2, or you can write it 1 ratio 2. This will be your answer. Hope that this question is clear. If you are getting another this type of question, solve it like this. You will definitely get the answer. Now let us see next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4, here you can see that ratio is given 40 kg ratio 1 quintal. Here we can see that both the unit are different. If this type of question is being asked, if the unit is not same, our first task will be to make both the things, both the quantity in the same unit. That is 40 kg, the smaller one. This is 1 quintal. 1 quintal means 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Now both are in the same unit. Now we will reduce. We can write 40 by 100. 0 0 cancelled. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. In the next step we will write 2 by 5. That is we can write 2 ratio 5. This will be your answer. This one is also very easy. Only we have to convert into the same unit. Whatever unit is smaller, in that unit we will convert. This was greater unit, we have converted into smaller unit. Similarly, one more question with different unit is there, that is question number 7. 3 hours ratio 1 day. Here unit is hour, here unit is day. So hour is the smaller, so we will convert this day into hour. How we can write 3 hours ratio in 1 day? We know that there are 24 hours. 3 hour ratio 24 hour. Now both are having same unit. Now we can write 3 by 24. Now we will reduce 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. In the next step we got 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 ratio 8. This will be our answer. One more question we will see, that is question number 9. Question number 9, here you can see that 3 terms are given. 3 terms are given in the ratio, and all these 3 terms are given in whole number, that is mixed fraction. What our task is? First our task is to convert into improper fraction. Let us start converting. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4. It is 4 by 3 ratio 4 2 ja 8 plus 1. It is 9 by 4 ratio 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. It is 5 by 2. Now here we can see that 3 terms are there. If there should be 2 terms, if there is 2 terms, we can simply divide it. But if there are 3 terms, if we are getting 3 terms, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of denominator. I am writing the step also so that you can solve this type of question. LCM of 3, 4 and 2. LCM will be 12. It will be 12. Now we will convert all the fraction having denominator 12. 4 by 3, by what number we will multiply? 3 4 are 12. 4 by 4, the fraction will become 16 by 12. Next is 9 by 4. 9 by 4. 4 3 are 12. We will multiply 3 by 3. 9 3 are 27 by 4 3 are 12. And the next last is 5 by 2. 5 by 2, it will be multiplied. 2 6 are 12. We will multiply it by 6 by 6. 5 6 are 30 by 2 6 are 12. Now we can see that the new fractions which are made from the given fraction is 16 by 12 ratio 27 by 12 ratio 30 by 12. Now here what we will do? We will simply cancel the denominator. Remove the denominator. What will left? 16 ratio 27 ratio 30. This will be your answer. Like this you can solve if the ratio is given in 3 or more than 3. You have to solve in this manner. Next we will see question number 2. Your second question is divide 64 centimeter long string into 2 parts. We have to divide 64 centimeter string into 2 parts. In the ratio 5:3. The first part is 5 and the second part is 3. 64 centimeter is going to be divided into 2 parts. First part is 5th part and second part is 3 part. This we have to understand first. How we will do? We will solve it by 2 methods. The first method we will solve. Let the first part be A and second part be B. A gets 5 part. A will get 5 part of the 64 centimeter long string and B will get 3 part of the 64 centimeter long string. What will be the total part? These two total part will make 64 centimeter. Total part is equal to 5 plus 3. That means total part is 8 part, and out of this 8 part, 5 part A is getting and 3 part B is getting. Now how we will find? A gets, how much A will get? A will get 5 part divided by total part 8 into the part which they are going to divide, that is 64. Like this we will calculate. Now we will reduce 8 8 is 64, 5 8 ja 40. Therefore A will get 40 centimeter. Similarly B get, how much part B is going to get? 3 part. 3 divided by total part. What is the total part? 8 into the length of the string, that is 64. 8 8 ja 64, 3 8 ja 24 centimeter. Like this it can be divided into 2 parts. This will be your answer. You can solve it by this method also. This is also very easy method. This thing you no need to write this thing in the copy. You can start from here. Now alternative method, the second method. What will be the second method? Ratio is given. Ratio is equal to 5:3. What we will do? We will assume a constant. Let constant be x. So what will be the first part? First part will be 5x. Second part will be 3x. 3x. And if we are going to add both the part, what we will get? We will get 64 centimeter, because it is being distributed only between two parts. And if we are going to add those two parts, again we are getting back 64 centimeter. According to question, what we will do? We will add both the part. First part plus second part should be equal to 64 centimeter. First part is 5x, second part is 3x is equal to 64 centimeter. 5x plus 3x, 8x is equal to 64 centimeter. X is equal to 64 by 8. 8 8 is 64. We have got the value of x is equal to 8. Now how much first part is there? 5x. Therefore first part is equal to 5x. That means 5 into value of x is 8. 5 8 ja 40 centimeter. Second part is equal to 3x. That is 3 into 8. 3 8 ja 24 centimeter. This will be your answer. You can solve it by any of the two methods, whichever you found easy. Now let us see our next question. Next we are going to solve question number 4. Question number 3 was same to same. You can solve it by the method of question number 2. Now question number 4 is saying the angles of a triangle. As we know that triangle is having 3 angles. The angles of a triangle are in ratio 3:2:7. Because triangle is having 3 angles, that's why 3 ratio is given 3:2:7. Find each angle. Let us the name A, B and C. First angle A, second angle B, third angle C. A is having 3 part, B is having 2 part and C is having 7 part. Now next we will calculate total part. What is the total part of the angle? That will be 3 plus 2 plus 7. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 2, 12. Total is 12 part. Therefore first angle, that is A, how we will calculate? The value of A is 3. 3 divided by total. What is total? 12 into the sum of all angle. As we all know that the sum of all angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree multiplied by 180 degree. Now we will reduce it. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 0, 6 15 are 90, 3 15 ja 15 3 ja 45 degree. Therefore first angle will be 45 degree. Second angle B will be 2 part divided by total 12 into 180 degree. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 ja 90 is 80, 6 15 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30 degree. This is the second part. Third part 7 by total into 180 degree. As we have seen, directly it is being reduced by 15. 15 7 ja 105. This 3 will be the answer. Hope that this method should be very easy for you and these questions are also clear to you. Next we will solve question number 5. Our next question, question number 5 is saying a rectangular field is 100 meter by 80 meter. It means that the longest side, that is 100 meter, will be length, and the smallest side 80 meter will be the breadth. The length and breadth is given. We have to find the ratio of length is to breadth. So what is given in the question? Length is given. Length is equal to 100 meter, breadth is equal to 80 meter. Now question is asking, the very first question, length is to breadth, ratio of length and breadth. The first question is saying length ratio breadth we have to find. The value of length is 100 meter, ratio 80 meter. Now we can reduce it to the simplest form. We can write it 100 by 80, 0 0 cancel, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. We have got 5 by 4. That is, the answer will be 5:4. This will be the answer. The second question is saying breadth to its perimeter. Breadth ratio perimeter. The value of breadth we know that 80 meter. Perimeter is, the value of perimeter is not given. We will find by using formula 2 into length plus breadth. In the next step we will put the value 2 into length. Length is 100 meter plus breadth is 80 meter. Now in the next step 80 meter ratio 100 plus 80, 180, 180 into 2, 360 meter. Now we will reduce it. We can write 80 by 360, 0 0 cancel, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. It is 2 by 9. That means your answer will be 2:9. Hope that up to this question it is clear to you all, and in the next video we will proceed from question number 6.